All right, today we will be making fresh, soft, succulent, airy flour tortillas, or as we ignorantly like to say in America, tortillas. Let's cook some shit.
To get started, you'll want 3 cups of sifted all-purpose flour in your stand mixer. We will then add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and then we're going to reach in there and just mix it up with our hand a little bit. At this point, we'll add in our 3rd cup of lard, and we're going to mix it until the flour mixture becomes like a coarse breadcrumb. Be sure to scrape down the sides during this process. Add in 1 cup of hot water. Now we don't want boiling water, we want our water to be about the temperature that you would activate yeast with, 100 to 110 degrees. And then we're going to mix on low speed for 10 minutes. I just want to slow things down for a second here and show you the elasticity of the dough. This is what you're looking for. Here we're going to take our dough ball out, slap her around a little bit and tell her she's a good girl. And then we're going to cover her with a damp paper towel for 15 minutes. After the dough is rested for 15 minutes, we are going to divide it into 13 2-ounce portions. Using a tuck and roll method, we are going to roll the 13 portions into individual dough balls. What I'm doing is folding all 4 corners of the underneath side of the dough and then gently rolling it with my 2 hands without applying any pressure to the top. Now it's time to roll these beautiful bastards out. Lightly flour your surface and begin a forward and back motion with your rolling pin. Be sure to roll all the way over the edges of the tortilla to ensure that the edges are not any thicker than the center. After each forward and back motion, do a 25% rotation and then flip the tortilla. When you flip it, it'll make it easier to roll out. What you're looking for is to see your countertop through the tortilla in the center. This is what it should look like at the end. To cook your tortillas, heat your pan over medium to high heat. I like to use cast iron, but any nonstick pan will do. Generally speaking, they're going to take a little bit less than a minute per side at this temperature, and you should hear a sizzle when you add your tortillas to the pan. If they start to bubble up like you're seeing right now, that's exactly what you're looking for. And you just want a little bit of color on each side. I'm going to show you another example after this one, just so you can get a feel of what it should look like. Just repeat this process until all your tortillas are cooked. Stack them on a plate as you cook them and keep them covered to keep them warm and moist before you serve them.
Thank you guys for watching my how to make tortillas video. As you can see, the end product here is absolutely gorgeous. It is a soft, warm, fluffy, pliable tortilla. You can bend it in any direction that you want. And now it's just time to add your favorite fillings to it and make some tacos. Thank you guys so much.